What's your favorite metal? Do you know the names of all the metals? Gold, silver, platinum, copper, bronze. There are many more. Let us learn the names of metals in Hindi.
लोहा,
iron,
सोना,
gold,
चांदी,
silver,
तांबा,
copper,
गंधक,
sulfur,
जस्ता,
zinc,
कांस्य,
bronze,
पीतल,
brass.